attention, please. Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm signals. Maintenance is testing the fire alarm system. May I have your attention, please? Disregard any fire alarm. Disregard any fire
So how has my style changed over the years? Oh, my emo era. Okay, rock star.
Halo kawan semua. Bagaimana aktivitasmu hari ini? Apakah
go. Here we are at Wyborn level crossing in Kent. We go. UK level crossing channel and level crossing channel. Nice and 40 on Cladington 11th of May 2018. And this is for your 1956 is Venture 20, 6 Echo 44, Great Refill Freight Service in Grain, Foster, Yeoman to Firm Park REC Lane. Sounds like first name number 1. 66776.
Introducing our most advanced full-size blender, the NutriBullet SmartSense Blender Combo, featuring
we are at Warehorn level.
Railroad tracks should decide if they want to be iced or just set on fire. Stressing is a rail engineering process to stretch continuous welded rails in order to prevent heat and cold tensions after installation. In this process, the tracks are stretched a few inches to their stress-free temperatures in order to reduce
And then I'm going to go ahead and take a little
I just wanna be part of your big body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part of your big body. I just wanna be part of your big body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part. I just wanna be part of your big body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part of your big body. I just wanna be part of. I just wanna be part of your big body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part of your big. I just wanna be part of your big body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part of your big body. I just wanna be part of your. I just wanna be part of your big body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part of your I just wanna be part of your sick body. I just wanna be part of your sick. I just wanna be part of your sick body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part. I just wanna be. I just wanna be part of. I just wanna be part of your sick body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part of your sick. I just wanna be part of your sick body.
No. You gotta go like this.
I just wanna be part of. I just wanna be part of. I just wanna be part of. I
Flip the blah blah blah. I'm full of swibbly liver kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds. Swabble dabble blibble blabble scrabble swab flap. Dibble dabble shwibble swabble blibby. Flip the blah blah blah. I'm full of swibbly liver kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds. Swabble dabble blibble blabble scrabble swab flap. Dibble dabble shwibble swabble blibby. Flip the blah blah. I'm the glob glob gab galab, the swabble dabble wabble gabble flip the blah blah blah. I'm full of swibbly liver kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds. Swabble dabble blibble blabble scrabble swab flap. Dibble dabble shwibble swabble blibby glab swap. Swabble dabble blibble blabble swibble swab dap. Dibble dabble shwibble swabble blibby swab flap.
I'm the Glob Glow Gabgala. I love books, and this basement is a true treasure trove. I am the Glob Glow Gabgalab, the Schwabble Dabble Wabble Gabble Flibber Blabber Blab. I am the Glob Glow Gabgalab, the Schwabble Dabble Wabble Gabble Flibber Blabber Blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds. Schwabble Dabble Glibber Glabber Schwibble Schwab Glab. Dibble Double Schwibble Schwabble Glibber Glab Schwab. Schwabble Double Glibber Glabber Schwibble Schwab Dab. Dibble Double Schwibble Schwabble Glibber Schwab Glab. Oh, splendid. Simply delicious. I am the Glob Glow Gabgalab, the Schwabble Dabble Wabble Gabble Flibber Blabber Blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and minds. Schwabble Dabble Glibber Glabber Schwibble Schwab Glab. Dibble Double Schwibble Schwabble Glibber Glab Schwab. Schwabble Double Glibber Glabber Schwibble Schwab Dab. Dibble Double Schwibble Schwabble Glibber Schwab Glab.
Hey, Dad, have you seen the CD I got? Jimmy, what CD? You don't even own one. How could...
These nuts. Got it!
Jimmy, you're grounded.
What do you mean by that?
Make that a week.
We do not care.
That's it, mister. How are you making all these sounds?
This is the Meme Soundboard app, and it lets you play tons of sound effects all right from your phone. The app is updated with new memes every day, so you'll always have the best sounds to prank your friends. You can even create your very own soundboard and become the ultimate troll. The Meme Soundboard app is completely free, so what are you waiting for? Tap the screen to start trolling today.
For your own children? Fine, whatever. Here's the Nerf gun, Mom. Aw, I just got done being punished for 3 months. And the first day out of my room, and I get punished again. Here. And you boys better not come out of your room until I say so. This isn't fair. Yeah, whatever. And you boys better not... Fine, whatever. Here's the... Wait, Mom! I didn't say nothing to Mrs. Jenkins! I promise! Alright, fine. Tommy, quick! Go around front! Huh? Is that Mom calling us? Everybody, time out. Let's go see what Mom wants. Alright, fine. But when we get back, Oh, it's... We're wasting time. We could be playing. Just go answer the door, Billy, and find out who it is. No, I'm not getting the door. You guys are probably just trying to trick me, so you can figure out where my flag is. Why don't one of you go get the door? Boys, don't worry. I'll answer the door. Thanks, Mom. You got lucky this time, Billy. All right, Mom. We'll be in here playing with our new Nerfs you got us. Okay, you guys ready to start the next round? Okay, sounds good. I wonder who it is. Now that I got my crossbow ready, you guys are gonna lose. Oh man, hold on. Oh, time out. Oh, hi, Mrs. Jenkins. How are ya? I'm not doing so good, Karen. Your boys were riding their quads and their dirt bikes earlier, and they rode all over my grass and my flower beds. They destroyed all of my flowers and put divots in my grass. And that's not the worst part. When I came outside and I told them to get off of my lawn, the little curly-headed one said, I can't believe Billy said that to you. I don't even know where he learned those words from. I can promise you this, Mrs. Jenkins. Those boys will never be on your lawn ever again because they're going to be grounded till they're 18 years old. Oh, it's okay, Karen. As long as you punish those boys. Once again, I am so sorry, Mrs. Jenkins, and I will handle this. Bye-bye. I can't believe that worked. She actually believed me. I bet those boys are going to get grounded for the next 3 months. I can finally have peace and quiet in the neighborhood. Boys! Get in here right now! Tommy, quick! Go around front! Huh? Is that Mom calling us? Everybody, time out. Let's go see what Mom wants. Alright, fine. But when we get back, everybody has to go to the same spots they were in. Yeah, what's up, Mom? Who was at the door? You boys were riding your quads on Mrs. Jenkins' lawn and destroyed her flower bed? I can't believe you would do that! That's not true. We didn't even go outside today, Mom. Don't you lie to me. What do you think, Mrs. Jenkins just came over here and made that whole story up just to get you boys in trouble? Duh. That's exactly what Mrs. Jenkins would do, Mom. What do you think, I'm stupid or something? I wasn't born yesterday, Michael. Mrs. Jenkins would never lie to me. I can't believe this. Mom believes Mrs. Jenkins. And Billy, she told me what you said to her. I can't believe you would talk to Mrs. Jenkins like that. I don't know where you learned that language, but I have a pretty good guess. You're two brothers. Wait, Mom, I didn't say nothing to Mrs. Jenkins. I promise. Don't you lie to me, you little potty mouth. You're lucky I don't wash your mouth out with soap. Now all 3 of you boys are grounded. Get up to your rooms right now and give me the new Nerf guns I bought you. Oh man, I can't believe this. You really believe Mrs. Jenkins over your own children? Fine, whatever. Here's the Nerf gun, Mom. Aw, I just got done being punished for 3 months. And the first day out of my room, and I get punished again. Here. And you boys better not come out of your room until I say so. This isn't fair. Yeah, whatever. This is crazy. I can't believe Mrs. Jenkins just got us grounded for nothing. You know what's crazy? That Mom actually believed her. Now Mrs. Jenkins can come over and get us in trouble whenever she wants. I don't want to be grounded. No, I'm not going to be able to watch Cocomelon on my iPad.
Bruh.
Calm down, Ice Spice. It's not that serious. Plus, I think you could use a couple days off your iPad. You're kind of going a little cuckoo. This stinks. We were having so much fun. And I bet you Mrs. Jenkins' garden isn't even messed up. I bet Mom didn't even look over at it. We can see her garden from the window. I'm looking. Good idea. This can't be real life. Mrs. Jenkins is outside Fortnite emoting on us. Really? Let me see. She really is out there taunting us. We can't let Mrs. Jenkins get away with this. We gotta get her back. Yeah, and how exactly do you plan on doing that? We gotta do something. Does anybody have any plans? Oh, I think I got an idea. 2 words. Prank war. That's it, Tommy. You're a genius. We gotta give Mrs. Jenkins a taste of her own medicine. How are we gonna do a prank war? We're punished. We can't leave the house. So, being grounded never stopped me and Tommy. All we gotta do is sneak out, Billy. Are you guys for real right now? You wanna sneak out while we're punished? No way! We will get in so much trouble! Who cares? We're already punished. It's not like we can get double punished. And don't forget, Mrs. Jenkins is the reason you can't watch Cocomelon for the next couple weeks. Mrs. Jenkins! Okay, I'm in. So what kind of prank are we gonna pull on Mrs. Jenkins? Are we gonna blow her house up? No, we're not doing that. We're just trying to prank her, not kill her. Aww. Little psycho. I am definitely never turning the TV off while he's watching Cocomelon again. Me either. I didn't know Billy was so serious about Cocomelon. Alright, so listen, I was thinking, we make this kind of fun and turn it into a game. We each come up with a prank, and we prank Mrs. Jenkins. And whoever has the best prank, wins. Oh, I like that idea. I got the perfect prank I'm gonna pull. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm definitely gonna win, because my prank is gonna be the best. I wanna blow Mrs. Jenkins' house up. She should've never took Cocomelon from me. No, Billy, we already told you, put that away. No explosives. Aww. It was worth a try. All right, everybody go get their stuff and then meet at the top of the stairs. We gotta sneak out of the house. Everybody meet in 5 minutes. Okay, is everybody ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I guess I'm ready. All right, Michael, call Mom and distract her so we can sneak out of the house. On it, everybody. Billy, you better not get us caught. Don't worry, I won't. Why do you guys always think I'm gonna mess everything up? Hello? Oh, hello. This is John Buckus. I am from the water company, and I need to see if your water's working. Will you do me a favor and go into your bathroom and flush the toilet for me? Oh no, are you serious? Of course I can check the toilets for you. Hold on, let me go see. Okay, I'm flushing it now. Yep, the toilet seems to be working just fine. If I notice anything, I'll give you guys a call back. Okay, sounds good. Bye. Ouch! I just ran into a thorn bush. Shh, Billy, be quiet. You're gonna get us caught. Okay, who's up first? Oh, all right, that's fine with me. Go ahead, you're up first, Michael. Okay, I'll be right back. I call this prank the Amazon delivery. Who is that at the door? Yeah, hello? Oh, I must have got an Amazon package. It must be the foot fungus cream I ordered. Oh man, wait till you guys see this. Man, I've been waiting all week for this. It looks like Mrs. Jenkins is having a baby girl. What was that? I can't even see nothing. Oh man, I'm covered in pink. It must have been the wrong house or something. She looks like a flamingo. She looks like Kitsy Missy from Poppy Playtime. All right, I'm up next. I'm gonna just go with a childhood classic. Looks like Mrs. Jenkins ordered chicken for dinner. Now who is it? I was just about to get in the shower. Okay, now all I gotta do is wait. Yeah, hello? Hello? It must be Ding Dong Ditchers. I'm gonna find them. Hey! Hey, you kids! I know you're out here somewhere. Show yourself. Perfect. Where are you kids at? I know you're out. Ew, what was that? Here comes a fastball. Oh man, did I just get a? Oh! Here comes my slider. Oh, this is the scope! Oh man! Last one. I'm gonna find you, kids. Oh! You won't get away with this! I swear! Yes, the oh man! Last one. I'm gonna find. Here comes my slider. Oh, this is the scope! Oh man! Last one. I'm gonna find you, kids. Oh! You won't get away with this! I swear! Yes, direct hit on every throw. I still got it. I better hurry up and get out of here. I better hurry up and take cover. I can't believe this. I'm covered in egg. I'm gonna find out whoever did this. I better go get the shower started. Did you guys see that? I hit her with every single egg. It looks like Big Bird took a poop on her head. I wonder how she likes her eggs. Scrambled or over easy. All right, Billy, you're up next. Yes, I've been waiting for my turn. My prank is definitely going to be the best. I am winning this contest. Okay, yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I can't believe he actually did that. Why didn't... Okay, good. Here he comes. He must not have gotten caught. I'm coming. I was getting the shower started. I swear, it better not be those dang kids again. My prank is going to be the best prank. After this, I'm going to be the prank war champion. I am definitely winning. Yeah, right, Billy. What'd you do? Put a whoopee cushion under her seat or something? No, I didn't put a whoopee cushion in her chair. But dang it, that would have been a really good prank. Just watch and learn. Yeah? Hello? Must be those ding-dong ditchers again. Where are they? Ooh, that had to hurt. We said we were going to prank her, Billy, not knock her out. Oh! Billy, that's not a prank. That's assault. Wait, guys, it's not over. That was just part 1. Here comes part number 2. Part 2? What do you mean part 2? Bye-bye, Mrs. Jenkins' house. Wasn't that awesome, you guys? That was the best prank ever. Now Mrs. Jenkins is gonna have to move and buy a new house. Billy, I can't believe you did that. Did you really just blow up Mrs. Jenkins' house? We said no dynamite. Are those sirens I hear? Oh man, that is sirens. The cops are coming. Everybody get back to our rooms. I can't believe you did that, Billy. We better get back inside. Hurry, go, go, go. Yeah, you're probably right. Let's go. Wasn't that the best prank ever? So, did I win the contest? Oh man, the fire department just showed up. The only thing you're gonna win is a life sentence, Billy. Yeah, I'm not getting in trouble for this. If we get caught, you're taking the blame, Billy. This was your prank. It'll be fine. Nobody will ever know. Remember, we have an alibi. We were punished all day. And the good news is, now Mrs. Jenkins is gonna have to move. And she'll never get us in trouble again. I mean, he's kinda not wrong. And Mrs. Jenkins is probably gonna have to move after this. You know what? Fine. You win, Billy. Yeah, that's true. Good job, Billy. You won. Yes! I am the prank war champion! Alright, well that was fun, guys. I'm gonna go back up to my room now, before Mom sees that we snuck out. Oh, okay, good. Mrs. Jenkins is getting up. It looks like she's okay. Well, that's good. And hey, I just remembered, Mom didn't take our Xbox out of our room. You wanna go play Fortnite? Yeah, I'm down for some Fortnite. Let's go. Bye! Thanks for watching! And make sure you like and subscribe! And by the way, no Mrs. Jenkins were hurt in the making of this video. Bye! Hey guys, watch this! I bet I could throw this frisbee the furthest and break a world record! Hey Billy, guess what? Nobody cares. Here you go, Michael. Yeah, really, Billy. And plus, the only world record you have is the most consecutive days without brushing your teeth. Aw, I brushed my teeth last month. And I'll show you guys. Watch and learn. I'm gonna throw this frisbee over the moon. What a beautiful day. Here it goes. Yeah! Whoa, look at that baby go. Uh-oh, it's headed right for Mrs. Jenkins' house. Uh-oh, go left, go left, go left, go left. Nope. It's so nice out. I think I'll get some gardening done today. Oh. Ooh, that had to hurt. Oops. I'm so glad I wasn't the one that threw that. You're in so much trouble now, Billy. Oh, Cocomelons, it wasn't my fault. The wind took it. Ugh. Which one of you little brats threw this frisbee at my head? I'm sorry, Mrs. Jenkins. It was an accident. Oh, no problem. Here, let me give you your frisbee back. Oh, oops. Sorry, Billy. It was an accident. Oh, it's okay, Mrs. Jenkins. I guess we're even now. Thanks for my frisbee back. I can't believe I'm about to say this, but good throw, Mrs. Jenkins. I know. Who would have guessed Mrs. Jenkins had an arm like that? She must be working out. Good for her. I can't believe she didn't try to get Billy in trouble. You're lucky, Billy. Tommy, throw me the ball. I know. That was a close one. I am definitely not playing with the frisbee no more. I can't take any chances. I can't let this little boogie eater get away with that. It's almost summer. I gotta think of a plan to get him in trouble. If not, he'll be outside every day, causing a ruckus in the neighborhood. Now let's see. How can I get him in trouble? Look at them, leaving their toys all over my front lawn. Wait a second. What's that? That's it! That's how I can get him in trouble. And not only will I get him in trouble, maybe I can get some free yard work out of it too. I got the perfect plan. All right, time to get my plan in motion. All I gotta do is act like I'm taking the trash out. Why is Mrs. Jenkins taking her trash out? It's not even trash day. Who knows? She probably has little Timmy in that trash can. He's been missing since last week. She's probably making room for Billy. Are you serious? Who's little Timmy? And I don't want to end up in a trash can? I'm just messing with you, Billy. Timmy didn't go missing last week. Oh, good. He went missing 2 weeks ago. I'm open. Knock it off, Michael. It's not funny. Oh! Oh! She landed right on the concrete. Guys, she's not moving. I think Billy killed Mrs. Jenkins with his skateboard. What are you talking about? I didn't kill Mrs. Jenkins. It wasn't my fault. She tripped on my skateboard. We gotta get out of here. Everybody hide in the house. Oh, man. I can't go to jail. I'm too young to go to jail. Run. You guys better not tell on me. Huh? Oh, my gosh. Mrs. Jenkins. Come on, Riley. We have to go see if she's okay. Mrs. Jenkins. Mrs. Jenkins, what happened? Are you okay? I'll tell you what happened, Karen. Billy left his skateboard on my driveway, and I was taking my trash out, and I slipped on it. I think I broke my back. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about that, Mrs. Jenkins. Don't worry, I'm gonna go call an ambulance right now. Don't move. Stay here, Riley. Don't worry, Karen. I'm not going anywhere. I think my back's broken. Yes, my plan's working perfectly. She's going to call an ambulance right now. I'm gonna have that little boogie eater doing yard work all summer for me. Oops.
Hello.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Oh well, it don't matter. You can't even say more than 5 words anyway, so my plan is still safe. Oh.
Booby hair.
Excuse me? What did you call me?
Booby hair.
Oh. Little ankle biter. I can't wait till she gets older and I can get her in trouble too. Oh man, oh man. Come on, Billy, hurry up. Guys, do you think Mrs. Jenkins will be okay? I don't want to go to jail. I don't think so, Billy. You're definitely going to go to jail. But as long as you're good in there, you'll get out in 25 years. Knock it off, Michael. It's not funny. I'm having a freaking panic attack right now. All right, I'm sorry. I was just trying to lighten the mood with a joke. No, here comes Mom. Everybody act natural. Why do we have to act natural? We didn't do anything. It was your skateboard you left in her driveway. Oh, Cocomelons, you're right. Fine, you two just keep doing what you're doing. I'll be the one to act natural. Oh, hey Mom, I'm just hanging out. I'm not up to anything bad or anything. There you are. I'm gonna have a talk with you as soon as I get back. I gotta go find the phone so I can call an ambulance for Mrs. Jenkins. Oh, Cocomelons! I guess you weren't acting natural enough, Billy. It was a good try, though. Yes, hello? I need an ambulance here right away. Please hurry up. Mrs. Jenkins, don't worry. I called 911. The ambulance is on the way. All right. Thanks, Karen. Guys, check it out. The ambulance just got here. Mrs. Jenkins must really be hurt. At least it's the ambulance, not the coroner. Am I right, Billy? Michael, I already told you 10 times. Now is not the time for jokes. It's not funny. You just can't take a joke, can you, Billy? Whatever. I'm gonna go play Fortnite. Billy, Joseph, we need to have a talk right now. Oh, man. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. How many times did I tell you? Don't leave stuff on Mrs. Jenkins' lawn. I don't know. Like 107 times? I don't keep count. You really messed up this time, Billy. Mrs. Jenkins is really hurt. And not only did you leave your skateboard out for her to trip over, but you